Recently, Binance's CEO Changpeng Zhao urged the crypto exchange's users to ignore the FUD, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Why would there be any fear, uncertainty, and doubt surrounding the platform though? Keep watching to the end of this video as we look into the current struggles Binance is facing and if there really is a need to be concerned. Binance, as we mentioned in a previous video, is currently the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume. They recently received a large request for withdrawals as a result of rising concerns about its proof of reserve report. Welcome to 6ZeroCrypto, where you get your daily dose of knowledge for crypto. If you want to get the latest news on the cryptocurrency market, then smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. The difference between the value of assets arriving and leaving the exchange, also known as outflows, has surpassed those of all other centralized exchanges on December 12th and is almost 9 times larger than the second largest outflow. According to CoinDesk, the outflow was the highest for Binance since November 13th, 2 days after FTX filed for bankruptcy protection, according to data provided by blockchain data platform Arkham Intelligence. However, the outflow doesn't seem notably anomalous, an Arkham analyst wrote in the Telegram chat, given that there are ostensibly $64 billion of assets on Binance. Withdrawals started to rise one after another, concerning news have circulated about Binance, and as investors have become increasingly wary about their funds on the centralized exchange. FTX's collapse, with which Binance got caught up, has urged other cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance, to prove that they are taking care in securing customers' assets. There have also been recent news about criminal charges against Binance. Binance was recently audited by auditing firm Mazars, claiming that its Bitcoin reserves are over-collateralized. Industry experts and recent reports criticized the document for its narrow take. Reuters stated that U.S. prosecutors are looking into criminal charges for possible money laundering against Binance and its top executives, including CEO Changpeng Zhao. Jump trading and Wintermute were among those moving large amounts from Binance in the past 7 days, according to reports in the blockchain network. Nansen analyst Andrew Thurman wrote in a tweet that Jump Trading looks to be the largest entity withdrawing from Binance. Jump's net withdrawals reached a total of $146 million of digital assets through a time frame of 7 days, as shown by data compiled by Nansen. Zhao also recently tweeted that Binance is seeing an increase in withdrawals of USDC. His tweet on the 13th of December stated, "On USDC, we have seen an increase in withdrawals. However, the channel to swap from PAX, BUSD to USDC requires going through a bank in New York in USD. The banks are not open for another few hours. We expect the situation will be restored when the banks open." In the tweet thread he added, "These are 1:1 conversions. No margin or leverage involved. We will also try to establish more fluid swap channels in the future. In the meantime, feel free to withdraw any other stablecoin, BUSD, USDT, etc." Since the exchange decided to sell its stake in FTX's FTT tokens, which preceded the downfall of the rival exchange, Binance investors have called for more transparency from their business. Last month, the company issued a proof of reserve that states that the exchange has a reserve ratio of 101%. This means that in the event customers are to withdraw their funds, Binance will have more than enough to cover all costs, unlike what happened with FTX. Skeptics and critics have pointed out, however, that the proof of reserves have not given any form of assurances of Binance's collateral. In relation to the criminal charges claim posted by Reuters, Binance responded saying, Reuters has it wrong again. We don't have any insight into the inner workings of the U.S. Justice Department, nor would it be appropriate for us to comment if we did, the company said in a tweet. Next up, let's discuss a little more about Tether, or the USDT coin. Tether is a stablecoin just like the USDC. Stablecoin means that it is not as volatile as other coins and is pegged to the US dollar or the USD stablecoin. This means that each Tether is reportedly backed in value 1:1 equivalent to the USD traditional currency. According to an article from Binance, if cryptocurrencies are assumed to be the speculative and volatile equivalent to small-cap growth stocks, then stablecoins would be that category's reliable equivalent of treasury bonds. In the same article it states, because Tether is an anchor in the crypto system, the lending of its own tokens represents a broad, if hopefully unrealized, risk. The promise and premise of Tether is that customers will always and forever be able to redeem one coin for $1, and issuers like Tether are required to have enough liquidity to cover this. If, and according to the WSJ, this appears to be the case, Tether has been increasingly lending its own coins and not selling them instead for equivalent fiat. This adds to the risk that the company may not have enough liquid assets to weather a large redemption event. After all, if the value of Tether breaks the buck, so to speak, and it has fallen below the $1 level several times in the past, and the company has a sizable book of loans that can be repaid in Tether, which has shed value, then by definition, USDT is not fully backed up by dollars. That means, the thinking goes, that the company could be susceptible to a liquidity crunch, delivering another solvency shock that the entire crypto marketplace is likely ill-prepared to weather. Do you think Binance seems to be following in the footsteps of FTX? Do you still have hope in cryptocurrency exchanges and crypto in general? Disclaimer: nothing in this video constitutes professional and/or financial advice. The sole objective of every piece of content on this channel is to promote discussion and sharing of information. Do your own independent research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any decisions based on the information provided. This video is not sponsored by Binance. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the video. Thank you for dropping by. Let us know what you thought about this video in the comments. What other type of content would you like to see? Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And ring the notification bell to stay updated for whenever we post new content. For now, this has been 6ZeroCrypto. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you in the next video.